Good morning, guys. Today we are going to discuss about preparation of alcohols from hydroboration. So in hydroboration, the diborane react with the alkene. It gives trialkyl borane, which on treatment with the hydrogen peroxide in the presence of sodium hydroxide, it gives alcohols. And the overall reaction is hydration of an alkene. The overall reaction is hydration of an alkene. Here we are taking alkene like a propene. This propene react with the diborane. It gives trialkyl borane. So name of this compound is tripropyl borane. This tripropyl borane on treatment with the hydrogen peroxide in the presence of alkali or sodium hydroxide, it gives alcohol and boric acid. This is the preparation of alcohol from hydroboration. It's very important 3-mark questions. Okay, it follows anti-Markovnikov's rules. It follows anti-Markovnikov's rules. You know about Markovnikov's rules. What is Markovnikov's rules? Here the Markovnikov's rules state that to an unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of addendum attaches itself to the carbon atom carrying less number of hydrogen atom. Here the negative part attaches to carbon carrying less number of hydrogen atom. It is a Markovnikov rules. Anti-Markovnikov's rules, it is a reverse of Markovnikov's rules. Here the negative part of addendum attaches to carbon carrying more number of hydrogen atom. It is the anti-Markovnikov's rules. Here the product of hydroboration follows the anti-Markovnikov's rules. The product of hydroboration follows the anti-Markovnikov's rules. Anti-Markovnikov's rules. Now let us understand the mechanism, how the reaction taking place. Here the diborane dissociates to borane. Okay, like we can write the diborane like a BH2 H. Here it breaks into H plus and a BH2 minus. See, we are taking propene. This propene react with the borane. So we can write borane like this H BH2 H BH2. Here it is split like BH2 minus H plus. Here is split like, okay. Here it follows the anti-Markovnikov's rules. This negative part attaches to carbon carrying more number of hydrogen atom. The positive part attaches to carbon carrying less number of hydrogen atom. It gives CH3 CH2. This hydrogen attached here CH2. It is CH2, then BH2 minus. Okay, this BH2 group attached carbon carrying more number of hydrogen atom. Okay, in next step, so one more propene react with this molecule. So here I am writing here CH3 CH2, here CH2, here B. I write this like this H, here 1H. Here another mole of propene, come and react CH3 CH double bond CH2. Okay, here it breaks like this, H plus and BH minus. Here I write here CH3 CH2, then CH2 this CH3 CH2 CH2, then B minus, here 1H, here this hydrogen attached to here, so it gives CH2 CH2 CH3. So again another mole of propene, command attack, CH3 CH2 double bond CH2, here this it will break like this, plus this hydrogen goes and attach here. Okay, right, okay. I write this here, it is CH. Okay, it gives CH3 CH2 CH2, here B, here CH2 CH2 CH3, here I write this propane attack here, CH2 CH2 CH3. So which on treatment with the hydrogen peroxide, here OH minus in the presence of alkaline, here it's a breaking of like this, here the H2O2 hydrogen peroxide split like a 2 OH. Okay, here it splits, here OH, here 1 OH, here it split, here 1 OH, here 1 OH, it split, here 1 OH, here 1 OH. So it gives okay, here 1 mole, 2 mole, 3 mole, 3 moles of propanol, 3 moles of CH3 CH2 CH2OH, plus the remaining part is BOH thrice, boric acid, BOH thrice. This is the boric acid, this is propanol. So I hope you understand, student. This is a mechanism for hydroborations. In hydroboration, the diborane react with an alkene gives trialkyl borane. This trialkyl borane, which on treatment with the hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide, in the presence of sodium hydroxide, it gives alcohols. This reaction product follows anti-Markovnikov's rules. So for understanding, we can see the mechanism of hydroboration. Here the diborane is an electron deficient molecule. It is dissociated to give borane, 2 moles of borane. So this borane molecule react with the alkene. It gives like a addition product. Here we are taking the 1 mole of propane. Here this diborane, okay, this borane split into H plus and the BH2 minus. The BH2 minus attached to the carbon carrying more number of hydrogen atom according to anti-Markovnikov's rules. This addition follows anti-Markovnikov's rules. The positive part attached to carbon carrying less number of carbon atom. Then another mole of propane react with the borane, it gives dialkyl borane. So 1 more mole of react with the borane, it gives trialkyl borane. This trialkyl borane On treatment with the hydrogen peroxide in the presence of sodium hydroxide, it gives propanol, and boric acid. This is the mechanism for hydroboration. I hope you understand the mechanism of hydroboration. It's a very important 3-mark questions. Explain hydroboration reaction or what is hydroboration reactions in 3-mark questions. So there is no need to write the mechanism in examination. For your understanding, so I explain here the mechanism for hydroborations. I hope you understand, student. Thank you.